Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we are going to take a look at the MidJourney AI and how we can create some concept art with it. So this is going to be a beginner friendly tutorial. So let's go to the MidJourney website, which looks like this. So I'm at the midjourney.com. So here are two options. You can either join the beta program or you can sign in. So if you click here, join, and it's going to ask you to continue to your Discord server if you have opened it in your desktop app, or if you haven't, then it's going to ask you to log in with your credentials. So just log in and it's going to open something like this. Now you can either work in the browser or you can just go back to the app. So this is the how app look like. So when you click on go to Discord, and if it doesn't redirect you to your desktop app, what you can do is you can go to this explore public servers and search for MidJourney here. And it's going to show you the MidJourney channel. Just click here and you are going to be joined in this server. So now we are in this server and we're going to create some concept art with it. So when you are new to MidJourney, what you can do is you can come to these rooms here, which says newbies. So just click on any of these chat rooms. So I'm going to click this one. And here you have this chat box and a command box here where you can type your directions, and this AI is going to create the concept art. So how does it work? I'm going to click here and I'm going to use the backslash to enter a command, and I'm going to type imagine, enter, and it's going to ask you to enter your command here in this prompt section. So let's try something like medieval village, burning, dragons in the sky, raining, fire, and ice. So you have to add a comma between each of these commands. You can type as much as you want. So I'm going to add few more keywords. Dark period, middle age, and I'm going to just enter and see what this AI create for us. So when you press enter, you'll see this notification here. So now your render is started. So it's going to take few minutes to create this concept art, and you just have to wait for it, and these images are going to get clearer with the time, and you can see the progress here. So when your process is completed, this image is going to be lost in all these chats. So what you can do is just let it finish, and you're gonna have to scroll down all the way to the end and find your results. And here you can see that the results of other people's requests are showing here, and your image is going up. Now the concept art are finished, and we have these 4 quadrants, as you can see. So you can also create the variation for any of these. So I'm going to click here and just see which one I like the most, and I like this 4th one better. So you can either refresh it and create something new, or you can just enlarge this one and create variation of this one. So I'm going to refresh it once more just to get something different. So let's click here and scroll down, and it's going to render again. So our results are here. So let's select one of them. So I like this one better. So this 4th one again. So I'm going to add some variation in this 4th result. So here you have the upscales for all the quadrants, and here are the variation. So U means upscale. So if you want to upscale this 2nd, 3rd, 1st, or 4th concept art, what you can do is you can just click any of these buttons, and it's going to upscale or increase the resolution for that particular image. Or if you want to add a variation, so you can click on any of these V icons. So I'm going to add a variation in this fourth image. So I'm going to click on this V4 and get something different. So again, it's going to render it and create something different. So just wait for it. Let it finish. So as you can see that our image is scrolled up. So we're gonna have to scroll all the way down here and click here, and let's choose one of these. So let's choose this third one. So I'm going to select this one, and what you can do to increase the resolution of this, I'm going to click on this U3, and it's going to upscale this third image. So click here, and it's going to process again. So our render is finished, as you can see here. And what you can do is you can again make variation of this particular image, and you can once more increase the resolution. So I'm going to increase the resolution of this art. So I'm going to click on this upscale to max, and it's going to upscale this image to the maximum resolution it can. So you can also see all these other concept arts other people are creating, and you can also make variations for these arts and download them. So just let it finish, and I'm going to show you how you can download this concept art and store it in your device. So we are almost done, and it will take a few more seconds. And here we go. Now you can download this, and what you need to do is just click here and click on this open original, and it's going to open a window in your browser. And here you can just right click and save. Or what you can do is you can just click right here and save image. Now there is one more thing. It might be very difficult to find your created concept art in all these chats. So what you can do is you can just send this result directly to your inbox, and you can organize your stuff there. So what you can do is you can right click here and go to add reaction. Click here on other reaction, and here you can either search for this envelope, or you can just manually scroll down and look for it. So click here and select this emoticon, and it's going to send this result directly to your inbox. As you can see here, I have this icon with the notification on it. Click here, and we have this concept art here in the inbox, and these are the arts I created before, and these are the arts I created before. So you don't have to go back to all these things and just scroll up and down to search for your artwork. So that's how you can create concept arts with MidJourney AI. So I hope you enjoyed this video and found this useful. And if you did, then you can subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorials. And you can also join my Discord server, where we talk about all these new things and work on to enhance our skill as a 3D artist. All the links you will find in the description down below. So make sure to check that out. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.